Yes, one of many AI strategies is switch to 4-spot Keno numbers to change the Keno machine algorithm. Yes, become a winner and subscribe for more free AI Keno numbers. Okay, let's take a look at our first 4-spot. Okay, bet is 10, coin is 5. Barred AI Keno numbers are 1 and 31. My lucky Keno numbers are 12 and 22. Wow, slow start. 6 plays to go. Okay, 2 out of 4 for 20 credits. Yes. Okay, 3 out of 4. Not bad. Could do better. Last play coming up. All right, 120 credits for the bonus. And 130 total for this round. Come on, y'all. Let's do better with our next bonus round. Yes, slot players love Keno. It's true. And they always ask me for free Keno numbers. Subscribe if you want to win at Keno. Slot players, watch the third and last bonus round in this video for the best free winning AI Keno numbers. But first, let's watch and finish bonus round number 2. Okay, bet is 10, coin is 5. Standing 3 out of 4. Very cool. Listen up, 55 and 64 are barred AI Keno numbers. 54 and 66 are my lucky Keno numbers. Be sure and write them down. 6 more plays to go. All right, 2 out of 4, we'll take it. Cool. Another one. Last play coming up. Okay, let's see what got us into the bonus. Oh, cool. Yes, a 3 out of 4. We did better at 190 for the total. Keno players, I still think we can do better. Let's check out our third and last bonus round. Yes, how to win at 4-spot Keno. Smash that subscribe button if you want to win at Keno. Start winning with our AI Keno numbers. In this video, Keno numbers 58 and 64 are barred AI Keno numbers, and 54 and 66 are my lucky Keno numbers. Okay, a quick look at our third bonus round. Bet is 5, coin is 5. Cool. 3 out of 4. These AI Keno numbers are working 100%. 6 more plays to go. Cool. Another 3 out of 4. Ha! Well, there you have it. A 4 out of 4. Cool. Let's listen to the music. Very cool. Last play coming up. $5.40 for the bonus. Okay, 545 credits for the bonus round. Join the AI Keno community and subscribe to start winning. Remember, AI Keno 4-spot will keep you playing Keno for a long time. Good luck and congratulations on your next big Keno jackpot. Beginners. AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. You need to watch another video. And thanks for watching this video. See y'all next week.